Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project IoT solid state relay, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Here we see the project working in action. This would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Many IoT devices use solid-state relays for switching. This is an economical solid-state relay that is operated on Alexa. The components we use here are ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, BT136 triac, voltage regulator, resistors, LEDs and power supply. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.